We are back at the K1 building. We're seeing walls going up, the studio is taking shape, and we are here with Baldwin Alliance doing a full tour of the building, so definitely come tag along.
When you walk indoors, this is all gonna be glass. And so when you walk in, you're gonna see straight through to the whole courtyard area out there. That's all gonna be a courtyard. There's gonna be a 15-foot stage that goes out beyond that so that we can have like events and concerts. Inside that wall, you see that cutout, you'll be able to see everything going on inside the studio. We'll be able to fully live stream out of that studio. It'll be a broadcast studio. There'll be 40 spaces in this and this for people to work. This is the production office. This is where you'll be able to control the cameras from here. You'll be able to see into the studio. There's a door that I'll be able to open and talk to the artist or whatever's in there recording, or the podcast people, or whoever's there doing it. And then this is the other hatch offices.
As we make our way to the right side of the building, you can see that the private offices have been constructed. If you're somebody who's gonna be renting a private office, you can now see exactly what yours is going to look like. And not just the private office section, but as we head to the left side of the building, you can see that the large office space that'll house 1 to 2 companies has taken shape. The conference room section is fully fleshed out, so you can really see exactly what's going to be taking place here at Hatch Fairhope and the different environments that are going to be available to anybody wanting to come in and get some work done here.
The meeting space that will hold 250, or it will retract. There's going to be walls, or retractable walls, right here to that pole and right here to that pole. You can take these retractable walls, close just this section off. We can do 3 simultaneous meetings in here at one time, or one big event.
If you want to join, get a private desk or a private office, definitely head on over to hatchfairhope.com to get more info.